Hey, how's it going? This is Michael Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how making money online works. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Coming right up. Okay, so welcome to this video. I just want to take the time to say welcome. I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you're here to get educated about making money online. So let me go ahead and get to it. So there are really three things you need to start making money online, and really even with no, if you don't have any experience, you're not even a techie. This information is for you. So pay close attention. So the first thing you need to start making money online is pretty much traffic, right? It starts with traffic. And before you question what traffic is, let me tell you, traffic is simply visitors on the internet. It's not traffic like from the streets or the avenues or the highways, nothing like that. Traffic is simply people searching on the internet for ways, to make money or for ways to lose weight. Just people, visitors from the internet searching for solutions to their problems, right? This is what traffic is eyeballs. So you want that in place. You want those, you want visitors, you want traffic, right? And then the second thing you need is a high converting, sales funnel. Now, when I started, I did not know anything about this. I didn't know that I didn't know anything about traffic. I didn't know anything about a high converting sales funnel. But I went online and I just simply was tired of struggling. I was tired of being tired. I was tired of not having any energy to do the things that I love doing and things like that, right? So I went online for ways that I can really improve my life, for ways that I can change my life. So at that point, I noticed that there were other people in the same situation, in the same boat that I was. So that's what actually, when I learned about traffic, it totally made sense to me. So again, the first thing you need is traffic, which is simply eyeballs, people looking for things on the internet, right? Just like maybe how you found this video, you probably Google, how to start making money online, right? And then the second thing you need is a high converting sales funnel. Now, what is a high converting sales funnel? Have you ever heard of people saying that they're making money while they sleep? Well, that's actually the reality. In fact, the other day I woke up and I checked my email and there was a sale notification in my email. Basically, what that means is that there's a sales funnel in place, right? There's a system in place, and especially a high converting system that's actually turning those visitors, this is like on autopilot, right? That's turning those visitors into leads and these leads into sales. I have a system in place. This is what you need. You need a system in place that's doing all of that for you on autopilot. That's what a high converting sales funnel does. And a high converting sales funnel is composed of three main things. The first thing is a landing page, right? A landing page is that page that is actually giving you the offer, right? And then the second thing is an autoresponder. In case you didn't, I'm gonna leave a link, but an autoresponder is simply an email software that sends follow-ups with your leads, on your behalf. You already, you put pre-done, messages, and it's gonna follow up with those leads on autopilot as well. So everything is simply automated in a way that is, that is smooth, and it's actually helping these people get more info in case they didn't have time to watch the presentation the first time. Then the autoresponder is going to send them messages so they can actually get back to where they left off, right? So that's how you follow up. You use an autoresponder for that. And below this video, there's going to be a recommendation of the autoresponder that I personally use. So, take a look at that after you watch the video. Now, the third thing you need is a value ladder, right? You need products. A value ladder is products. If you go to McDonald's, you have that, dollar menu, depending where you live in, but you have a dollar menu in there. And then you have other products in there. Maybe you want to upgrade to, super size the fries, and you want to get a soda. So you need products. Now, when it comes to making money online, a value ladder is simply composed of a front end product. So meaning you're gonna get a low, you're gonna have a low cost front end product, but then you also want to have other products that cost more on the back end. That way when people come in, they have more value in their more value in front of them, so they can get access to, and then that way you make way more money, so that way you can turn a profit and simply use some of that profit to market, to advertise, right, to cover the advertising costs. Now, in case you wonder why most people fail with making money online, that's it right there. They don't have a back end product that costs higher, that has more value, so to really sell, to really offer to these people. And that way, because if you only depend on the low cost products, then you're not going to make the advertisement costs. You need a high ticket back end product in place. That way you can actually cover your advertising costs and make a profit. Trust me, this is how, if you see people making 6 figures, 6 to 7 figures per month on the internet, this is how they're doing it, right? So I know that it works. I work with a lot of people that do this, and then I want to just share that with you, so that way you can start making money online too, just like I'm doing, just like thousands of people are doing too, using the method that I'm going to share with you, that I'm sharing with you below this video. Okay, so those are simply the 3 things you need to start making money online. This is how making money online works. Okay, you need traffic, you need a high converting sales funnel, and you need a value ladder, which is a front end product backed with the back end products. So so you're giving more value, so you can have more profit, so you can have so you can make up for the advertising costs, and that's really it. This is what you need. This is how making money online works. So now, if you want to know what I use to make money online, or what I'm using right now, what thousands of people are using to make money online, I have a link below this video. Go ahead and click that link, access the details, just enter your details and get access to that information. It's a free training that's going to walk you through on how you can start making money online starting today. All right, so you can start right now if you want to, but just go ahead and access that information and just take notes, see how everything works, and if you believe it's a good fit for you, go ahead and get started, and we'll see you on the inside. Again, this is Michael de la Cruz, and if you found value in this video, please share it, like it, and I hope to see you in the beaches of the world. Have a great day. Bye.